Hello and welcome to day 3 of our 30-day challenge. Today's meditation is a Mindfulness of Sound meditation. So just like the breath, we're going to use sound as our anchor to bring us into the present moment. So when you're ready, you can bring yourself into a comfortable seated or lying down position. And start by becoming aware of your breath as it flows in and out. And when you're ready, you can shift your awareness from your breath to the sounds that are present in this moment. So without searching for any particular sounds, instead, just allow yourself to become receptive to the sounds that are around you. They may be sounds that are in the room or in the house, or sounds further afield, outside. Whatever they are, just allow them to come to you and fill your ears. And as you sit and listen to the sounds around you, you can begin to notice if any judgments are arising. So, that's too loud, or that's annoying, I wish that wasn't there, or that's beautiful, I love that sound. Whatever it is, as best you can, try not to get carried away with your thoughts or judgments about the sounds, and instead just try and hear them. Allow your attention to float from sound to sound, not getting caught with any particular one. Become aware of the arising and fading of sounds. Notice if there are any spaces between sounds. And if your mind wanders to thoughts or plans or problems, first remembering that that's fine, you're not doing it wrong, but then just gently guiding it back to the sounds around you. And if your mind becomes fixated on any particular sound, again, just noticing that and trying to take in all of the sounds occurring in the moment. If the mind wanders, just coming back to that practice of listening, of hearing, allowing the sounds around you to fill your ears. Simply hearing the sounds. Sounds of the birds or creaks in the house, chatter of people far away. Whatever it is, allowing them to be there, knowing that all of those sounds are just as much a part of the present moment as your breath or as my voice. Wherever you are in your meditation, you can allow the flow of sounds to gently drop away and shift your attention back to your breathing. When you've taken your few breaths, you can start to become aware of the feelings in your body, maybe making some movements, your fingers, your toes, And finally, whenever you feel ready, you can gently open your eyes and come back into the room, into your day. So going into your day, I hope you have a beautiful one, and I will see you tomorrow.